So the cup is making noises. I don't understand why. You hear that? Like, it's the cup too, listen. What is happening? I feel like I'm losing my mind. Right? And it is the cup. Like, I've taken it out of here. I've it's been doing this for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes now.